Correct Toes is an incredible product that's designed to reapproximate or reposition your toes in their normal anatomical arrangement, that is, splayed and in line with your metatarsal bones. The Correct Toes toe spacing product was invented by a podiatrist and is made of medical-grade silicone. It's flexible, durable, and comfortable, and it's designed to correct bunions, hammer toes, and a number of other problems that cause foot pain. Correct Toes can be worn in shoes during weight-bearing activity, which significantly enhances its corrective effect. Correct Toes can be worn against your skin, within a pair of conventional socks, or over your Injinji toe socks. Correct Toes can also be worn in certain footwear, such as lemming and ultra shoes that possess a wide enough toe box. You should avoid wearing your Correct Toes inside shoes with narrow toe boxes or toe taper. Like much of the other foot gear we carry at naturalfootgear.com, Correct Toes should be worn for only short periods early on. You can gradually increase the amount of time you wear your Correct Toes as your foot makes the proper adjustments. See the Correct Toes Advantages page and Correct Toes Instruction Guide in the Resources section of this site for more information about this revolutionary foot health product. Correct Toes comes in two sizes, small medium and medium large. Most women do well with a small medium size, as do many men. Men with larger feet may prefer the medium large size. Check out the Ordering the Proper Size link below for more information about Correct Toes sizing.